Hey, this is John with Common Courtesy Computer Repair, and today I wanted to show you some Windows 8 modifications. Now, this is my Windows 8 machine, just Windows 8 Basic. I don't have any updates, and it's not 8.1. What I did for these modifications is I used three different programs. I used Classic Shell for a start button. I used Object Dock. This is for another program called Modern Mix, which is here. Alright, so the first program I'd like to go over is the start button. What this does is it pretty much gives you the full functionality of the start button that you had back in Windows 7. And this is what a lot of people were looking for. When the update to 8.1, it gives you a start button, but it takes you right to the Metro. So this fixes a lot of problems. You can run right from here. You can search. You don't have to go up here to search, and you still can search your whole computer. The nice part about it is it actually has settings here where you can actually set it back to like 2000, Windows 2000, or different settings, or you can make a custom image and make it actually look like a start button itself. So next, I'd like to move on to the Object Dock. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. This is, again, all Mac users' happy place right here. The nice thing about it is one of the limitations with a good place to view your documents. I mean, you have the folder here, and it makes the folder here. Gives you this up here, which you can shortcut to documents a lot faster and with the drop down. I personally don't use this very often. I own a Mac as well, so that's and the last thing is the Modern Mix. And you know, the Object Dock and the Start button were self-explanatory, but the Modern Mix was not. One of the last things I talked about was how people didn't like the Metro and how it took over your screen. With Modern Mix, I'm going to go to the store again, it actually takes your Metro and puts it in a windowed mode, so you can control what's going on. And, you know, I think this solves a lot of problems, especially people with multiple screens. And, I mean, you can use the snap functionality and actually make it as another screen. And alright, so if you guys like this video or found it helpful, if you could subscribe, and if you want to check out our website, it's cccr.me. And if you would like any other videos, put it in the comments below, and we'll take it into consideration.